If your garage is anything like mine, then you never have enough room. I don't have the space for a workbench, so I usually end up working on a folding table, which is not ideal. So today, I'm gonna fix that. This simple folding workbench costs less than $100, saves space, and the brackets I got on Amazon claim they can hold up to 500 pounds. Which I'm not totally convinced about, so we're gonna test that later in the video. They're easy enough to install. Mark the top about 1.5 inches below the finished height of your workbench and pre-drill the hole locations in a stud. Then attach the brackets with the included screws. Make sure they're level, then we can build the top. You can use whatever materials you want. I'm going with 2x6s since that's the cheapest option. I got 2 10-footers and cut them in half. I used a 2x4 to hold them all together. Borrowed the bathroom scale to check the weight of the top. Then attached it to the brackets. I really like these brackets. It's easy to lift up and fold back down when you're done, which allows plenty of room to open the car doors. Now before we throw that 300-pound iron engine block up here to test the weight capacity, let's see how it actually works as a workbench. I'm mostly going to use this for car projects like brake jobs or rebuilding cylinder heads, and this is perfect for that. I'm also going to install a bench vise here in the corner. This one belonged to my grandfather, so it's cool to have a little piece of him out here in the garage with me. That added 17 pounds, bringing our total to about 50 pounds. Now let's put some real weight on it. According to Google, this iron engine block weighs about 250 to 300 pounds. I'm actually more worried about the garage walls than these brackets. They seem to flex just from me sitting on it, but here goes nothing. I really can't imagine putting any more weight on this thing. I'm certainly not going to rebuild engines on it. If I was a big YouTuber who could afford a new garage, I would absolutely overload this thing to show you when it fails. But I think we can safely say it will hold close to 500 pounds if you really wanted to push it. This workbench is perfect for my needs in a tight garage, and I highly recommend these brackets. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. I've been using this bench for a few weeks now, and I really like it. But like everything else in here, it's just becoming another place to dump things. Since I actually want to be able to work on my workbench, I'm gonna have to do something with all those car parts. I'm thinking about building some shelves up there. That'll get all that stuff up off the ground, and then maybe I can actually do some work in here. Speaking of car parts, since you guys stuck around to the end of the video, you want a sneak peek at the new project car I just got for the channel? This was my dream project when I started this channel, and I can't wait to finally start making videos on it. If you want to follow along while I try and bring this thing back to life, make sure you hit that subscribe button.